In this edition of Travel Medicine Tips and Tricks, we will look at the health benefits of guava, because we are sure that you will encounter guava at some point during your travel. Grabbing a fresh fruit, making a tea, or bringing along guava tincture could be a quick fix for several common health conditions that you may encounter during your travel. If we analyze the nutrients present in a variety of fruits and compare them to those in guava, guava really seems to be the undisputed heavyweight champion. Guava has edible fleshy fruit as well as the leaves. The leaves have been boiled into an herbal tea for generations in many countries around the world for their superior health benefits. For a more potent effect and convenient usage, guava tinctures are available over the counter. We will cover all the main benefits supported by research in this video. The texture of guava resembles mostly pears, but guava is a bit crunchier. The best part about guava, however, is its flavor. It has a delicious sweet tropical flavor that will send your taste buds on a wild ride. So what are the health benefits of guava? Not only does one guava contain more than twice the recommended daily intake for vitamin C, which by the way is more than what orange has, but guava is also rich in other antioxidants. Additionally, guava also contains more than 20% of the recommended daily intake of carotenoids, folate, and fiber. Guava also boasts high potassium content, which is about 15 to 20% higher than the recommended daily intake for potassium. All of these nutrients are packed in one 55-gram guava fruit, which contributes only roughly 37 calories, 8 grams of carbohydrate, and 5 grams of sugar. Guava is also a remedy for painful menstrual periods. Many women suffer from monthly debilitating menstrual cramps. While the study that examined the effect of guava leaves on menstrual cramps was fairly small, in traditional folk medicine, tea made from guava leaves has been used for generations to relieve the severity of menstrual cramps. If you can't get the leaves, you can look for standardized tincture, which might be even more potent. While most herbs work better in combination with other herbs to achieve a synergistic effect, in the case of guava, to get the desired effect, it might be worthwhile to obtain the guava leaf extract, which is more concentrated and delivers more consistent result due to its standardization. The authors of the study reported that the pain-relieving effect of guava leaf extract was even more powerful than the traditionally used painkillers, but in our opinion, that largely depends on the severity of the menstrual cramps. High content of fiber in guava is excellent for regulating the function of the digestive system. Adding guava to the diet can benefit people who suffer from diarrhea, constipation, or both, such as individuals with irritable bowel syndrome. The fiber helps to regulate the transit of stool through the intestines by either solidifying or softening the stool depending on which action is needed more. In case of diarrhea, the fiber will help to soak up the excess fluid to solidify the stool. In this case, however, avoid eating the fully ripe fruit. Instead, eat the fruit that is only halfway ripe. Fruits that are fully ripe contain much more natural fruit sugar, which can make diarrhea worse. This is especially the case for individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, who need to avoid sources of high concentrated sugar. When constipation is the problem, the fiber will bulk up in the intestine and stimulates the intestines to move the stool. Fully ripe fruits with drinking plenty of fluids are the best. Guava leaves have been shown to be an effective treatment for the common cold and influenza. This remedy has been part of folk medicine in many countries around the world where guava grows. In research, the extract of guava leaves have showed antimicrobial activity as well as effectiveness in controlling the replication of the influenza virus. Additionally, the extract has been shown as a useful remedy for controlling cough related to upper respiratory infection. While you can eat guava these days anywhere in the world, from our experience, it tastes the best when eaten at the places where it grows and is picked up during the season. If you want to eat guava fresh, simply cut it in half. You can then either cut the fruit into slices the same way that you would cut an apple. Alternately, you can scoop up the fleshy part of the guava fruit with a spoon like an avocado. The guava rind is edible, but some people don't enjoy the taste, so it's up to you to experiment with it. While guava tastes great when eaten raw, It is great cooking ingredient that will enhance the flavor of number of different recipes. You can add fresh guava to smoothies, salads, juices, and even salsas. Guava can also be cooked and has been used in number of baked goods. As usually, if you like this video,